Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to click and reveal text on PowerPoint presentation. So I have already created one, text reveal animation here on my PowerPoint. So I will show in this video. So let me take blank presentation to show you from scratch. So just select the I take the blank slide here. So first we need the object. So we need shape. So go to the home, and here you can see the find the shape. You can find the shape, round shape from basic shape. Take the shape, and now you have to make it copy. Just hold the control key and drag on left right side. The copy will be created. Okay, so now you need another shape which is rectangle shape, and go here, and you can see the rectangle. You need to take this round corner shape. Take it and drag here on side. Okay, hold this yellow dot and scroll on middle, so it will be your round will become as the circle. So just hold and drag it on the second circle. Now click on it and send it to back. Then here you can see the round has been here, come here on top, and in behind there is a rectangle. Okay, so now we need to apply the animation now. So I just change the shape color to show you properly. So there you can see I have three shape. One is this second, and this third. So I have to give some name here. Okay, I'm giving the name or number here. You can give anything what you want. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the first animation on second circle. Select the circle, go to the animation, click here, and here you have to find the motion path on lines, and this has been applied. Now go to the effect option and click on right. So this animation will go to the right, but it will be not uh, you know motion till this circle or rectangle. So you need to make it by manually. Just hold this red arrow and just drag on your left. Okay, so it is done. Okay, it is done. Now let me check. Go to the animal panels, and this first effect we have done. If you play, it will show you. Okay, now you have to make duration for 1 second. Okay, so first effect has been done. Now select this rectangle and give the wipe effect. You can find the wipe effect here. You can find wipe effect here, and go to the effects, go to the left, then this same you have to. So guys, animation, the second effect has been done, but we need to make it with preview and make it same duration for 1 second. So we need same duration for two objects. Okay, now we need the text. Whatever, go to the insert, go to the text box, and you can type here what you want. I just type subscribe my channel here. Okay, change color. What you can change color. Okay, done. So now we need to apply the animation on text also. Just select the text option, go to the animation. Now we need simple animation which is fade. Okay, but we need it with previous, and we need delay 50%. So in first of animation, on first two objects we have given the 1 second preview duration. So for that we for text we need 50%, means we need 50 second for delay, and make it duration 50%, 50 second, and delay also 50 second, make it with preview. Okay, so now all has been done. Now I have to change the color of this second circle. So go to the shape, click on shape, and change the color as same as the rectangle. Go to the outline, select the no outline, so it will be height. Now you can see the circle has been height within this rectangle. So now you have to select everything, just drag and select everything. Just take on this first circle. Now just click right and send it back. Okay, it is done now. Now go to the preview, go to the preview, and if I click on one, you can see the label text has been applied. So now you can copy it, just select by dragging everything, just hold the control and you can copy many copy from here. Okay, you can see I can copy three. You have to hold the control key, first select everything and hold the control key, and you can copy it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.